Hey everybody, welcome to Him and I. Today I'm sitting in front of the joiner and I'm going to show you how I made these tapers on these legs using the joiner. I've also made this bigger one here. So the joiner, I usually have it set at 1/8 of an inch or less to joint the wood, but today I got it set at 1/4 inch. So 1/4 inch. And then I also use a stop block. And for this one, I didn't measure it, but you can measure it. If you want a 4-inch taper, you would measure from where the cutting edge in the middle back 2 inches. And that will give you a 4-inch taper, depending on however size you want. So it's pretty much halves of everything. So if you want a 4-inch taper, you go 2 inches on the stop block. And 1/2 inch, you want half of that, so that would be a 1/4 inch, because you're going to do 2 passes. One against the stop block, and then one without the stop block, and that gives you your 1/2 inch total taper. And then that gives you your distance of the taper, so you want it half of what that is. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So stick around, and I hope you like today's video. If you do, please subscribe and comment down below what you guys think about the video. Thanks. 4 legs. And I want to make a planter out of them, but this is kind of a, it's not going to look as cool, but I want to put like a 1/2 inch taper on the bottom of them. So what I'm going to do here is take that thing, I got a stop block put in, so I'm going to go and join it until I hit that stop block and bring it up and do the same thing on 2 sides. We're going to do a 2-sided taper. So let's go ahead and turn this thing on and see if we don't get hurt. Now we're going to take the stop block off. Stop block is off. Now what we're going to do, we're going to turn this thing on its edge right here. And then just push it through. And that should give us a taper. We're going to be really thin at the bottom of there, but hopefully it will work out. So let's see what happens. Downward pressure is on this end here. Taper. Alright, so here are our 4 legs now. And they all got a nice perfect taper on it. If you can tell, these things are stacking up and everything is using that stop block makes them perfect every time. So real excited about that. Now we can put them through the router and smooth off that hard edge. So there you are, tapering legs with the joiner.